Let's imagine for a moment that you are working as a maintenance engineer in a company. You're on the shop floor and you receive a call from one of your foreign clients asking for a repair manual for one of their pump series. Now, you're skeptical about whether you have the prototype of the same pump in your inventory or not, but you do remember that you have the CAD model of the pump assembly. Now, instead of following the same approach for creating documentation manually or by shooting a video, you can easily create a detailed guide and repair procedure animation using SOLIDWORKS Composer. With SOLIDWORKS Composer, taking advantage of your existing CAD data, you can achieve much more than creating just images and man-made videos. Let's see how this can be achieved easily. Once you open the Composer screen, you can directly import the SOLIDWORKS assembly into the Composer environment or choose between many other CAD extensions SOLIDWORKS Composer supports. You can then start creating interactive content by defining views and changing its appearances ranging from different options such as smooth, technical and wireframe. This helps us in presenting our model in a specific way for different purpose. Using the manipulative tools inside SOLIDWORKS Composer, one can easily translate or rotate the part depending on how you want to achieve your outcome. Parts and assembly can not just only be translated by selecting directly from the graphics area, but can be selected from the assembly pane. Once the parts have been translated to their location, you can also directly create a link from their neutral position. Now let's say your client also reminds you of the engineering changes in your assembly. Then what? SOLIDWORKS Composer makes sure that all of your design changes gets updated with the latest version by using just a single click. With this sync between the CAD data and the Composer, you don't have to worry about your engineering design changes. Other than that, you can take the advantage of one of the many workshops available in SOLIDWORKS Composer, such as the POM workshop. It can easily create interactive part lists ranging from different meta properties stored in the SOLIDWORKS CAD. The collaboration actors and the digger tool in SOLIDWORKS Composer helps you create step-by-step procedures and manuals in your own creative way. The smart labeling automatically detects its name property from the metadata, or you can choose between other levels of SOLIDWORKS properties. All of this detailed documentation you created, including interactive content, detailed part list of each part, and the repair procedure and animations that then can be exported easily in many other formats such as Word, PDF, Composer Player Package and much more, which can then send to your client easily. Thus, we saw how simple and easy it was to leverage the use of your existing CAD data to create so many interactive content, and that also in such a short time. Also, we saw how the engineering changes can be reflected easily in SOLIDWORKS Composer without any hassle. Thus, we were able to save time and send the documentation manual to our client easily. To know more about SOLIDWORKS Composer, you can click on the link given below in the description box.